Recording.
Good morning. This is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I am Mark Sebastian, the founder of this company. What's going on? Well, we've got our boot camp coming up. Pretty awesome. And if you enroll, I'll give you the Silver Synthetics course free ahead of time. So that's a pretty cool free offer. It's going to be 4 days recorded. You keep it after it's done. And then, of course, if you are an active member, come to the Option Pit Professional Trader Summit. It's going to be awesome. Go to optionpit.com/events for more info. So let's talk about the market. Well, we still have people worried about Greece, worried about this, or worried about that. Cruddy GDP, not quite as cruddy as people guessed, but, take a look at those rates. I think people are starting to figure out, oh, wait, maybe the Federal Reserve isn't raising rates this, in June or September or December, and that's why we're seeing that happen. With that, you've got a relatively flat SPY, down a little bit, a VIX that was up a lot more and has since receded. The June future has been pretty sticky, between 14.5 and 15. This looks like a little consolidation. We've got non-farms next week, but I think I would not be shocked to see an up on the day, similar to yesterday, where maybe we kind of eke it out at the end of the day. Some names moving around. Apple had been doing pretty wonderful and had a huge up day earlier in the week, and now has since receded back to 131. Just been kind of stuck in a range. Really, every stock's been stuck in a range. The real weak stocks have been the transpos. The stocks that have been really strong, that have just been great buys when they pulled back, have been the financials. Goldman and JP Morgan have both been great stocks to buy when when they've come off a little bit. They're definitely on the two-step forward, one-step back train. So they keep ratcheting higher. I would not be shocked to see Goldman break 210 and JP Morgan threaten $70 a share. Looking around, the restaurant names have been really weak and ugly. Buffalo Wild Wings up a little bit today, nicely, but if you look around McDonald's, they're maybe getting a little bit of a dead cat bounce today. Chipotle Mexican Grill. A lot of these names have just been getting battered and have not been doing that well. And, it's an interesting space that looks really weak. And, that's one to watch in terms of a specific trade. And, Facebook's been stuck in a 1-point range for a couple of weeks. I'm very interested in what that one's going to do. All right, folks. On the day, like I said, I think vol is going to come in. I would not be shocked to see the vol futures end up somewhere near flat, and even if we stick here, just because they're gonna price out this weekend at some point, and it has yet to happen this week. So, on that note, if you've got questions about what we do, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Oh, last thing. Looks like the dollar is not going to, I think the dollar's done, and it's done for the year, and oil's in a range. So everything, oil vol is, if there's a sale, it's oil vol. That is my opinion. All right, folks, on that note, I'll wish everybody a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.